$35 a year, and it's already raised $24 million, but some people argue it is unconstitutional. Our Lisa Balick has more now on this issue. Lisa?
Well, it's all about who has to pay the tax and whether that's against the law. Oregon's 7 Supreme Court justices decided to take a close look at this, the Portland Arts Tax. The issue isn't whether it's going to a good cause, it's whether the tax is a poll or head tax, meaning everyone is required to pay the same amount without taking into account their income. Why argue this when it's only $35 a year?
Well, but you take 35 by 600,000, that takes in a lot of money.
13, lucky number 13. Hey.
Portland taxpayers voted for the arts tax 5 years ago, a way to pump money into art and music education in our schools. Over $38 million collected so far. The city's attorney argued that it's not a head tax, that not everyone has to pay it.
The arts income tax doesn't possess those characteristics. It does take into account income at several levels.
But Oregon's Supreme Court would not have taken the case if it didn't believe there was a possibility it is unconstitutional. The court only rules on about 60 cases out of 1,000 submitted each year. Whittemire says he's opposed to how the money is collected, not where it goes.
Even though my grandson is learning to play the trumpet with the music teacher at West Sylvan, who is apparently, I guess, being paid by part of the arts tax.
Now, meanwhile, the city has a collection agency working to get money from more than 3,000 people who still have not paid the art tax yet. Now, if you're wondering if you get a refund if it's found unconstitutional, well, attorneys in this case told me today that it will likely go back to the city and a lower court to decide whether you get a credit or a refund, and it may take a while, though, before they make a decision.
Lisa Balick live for us this afternoon.
And Lisa, let us know what they decide.
Yeah, thank you. Now we're following up on complaints from neighbors in North Portland about some strong odors